It's a Thursday, and welcome to Zipra Liberation Archives, where we talk about the history of the liberation struggle. My name is Zenzel Ndebele. As usual, we meet every day to talk about different stories and different experiences. And thank you very much for the support, for the comments, for the people that we are supposed to talk to. The people that we are supposed to visit, and we promise that we might take a bit of time to get to everyone, but as long as it's appeal, we'll try to talk to as many people as possible. And of course, as usual, we remind you, if you think that you can be of any help, please get in touch. You can refer to us about Zipra. You can contribute financially. You can contribute in terms of ideas in production. All is welcome because uhlelo ngolwabantu impipela layo yawinwa ngoba abantu babencedisana abadala babethenga ama-cards ngama-50 cent, abanye benika ukudla, abanye bethenga ama-battery ama-radio, abanye becontribute ama-radio. Ngesikhala ngasithi chinyunyi babili komba ugatsho uluka. So we need to work together to make this project a success, to make this program a success, because the idea is to educate our kids, to educate future generations, to educate all of us about what happened during the liberation struggle, because over the years, history has been distorted and a number of stories are not to be told or have not been told, and a number of heroes have been ignored. In the program today, we are talking to one of the fascinating programs that I've been talking to, December Moyo. December is a very interesting story. You know, the way he ran away to South Africa, came back, got arrested, lost his house, and all kind of things. And this is the program where we talk about the stories that have never been heard before. I hope you enjoy Stories Got December. Baba uMoyo lingaqala maybe ngokuthi lisitshela ukuthi eleni ibizo lokuzalwa mbani lokuthi elempini kwakungubani.
Elami ibizo lokuzalwa nguMadala December Moyo. Ubaba wayembiza Madala ukuthi ngazalwa ngeChristmas. Manje badinga ibizo, badinga Christmas, bathi hayi lo muntu sathi uChristmas uzahamba ebe isibhonde ehamba indawo kwakusalo anti. Wadingisisa kuba bathi hayi lami nguMadala. Then anti wasesithi hayi ngeke sithi nguChristmas ngcono ebe nguDisemba. Hayi ngahlamba ngoDisemba.
So wena uzalelwe ngaphi ngawuphi umnyaka?
Mina ngizalelwe ekhaya sibili eOsabeni ngo-1959 mhla ka-25 December. It was 25 ngoba ngo-4 o'clock kwasuku so 25 date yabisitshintshile.
Yeah. So wakhula wafunda eOsabeni?
Ngakhula ngafunda eOsabeni.
So ngo-19 asithi kubo 76 khona apha decide ukuthi uye empini uhambe eBotswana uyahlala. 77 uyafika eZambia, ufike nga?
eZambia safikele eNampundu. Then eNampundu nje umuntu wayengajwayelanga ukhanya anti vele laphana ule ngcekeza ligeze ithinti ngabaleka sibili.
Ole mnyaka.
I think I was 14 years maybe. Ukuthi angeke sikwanise ukukhalculate. Angilama 14 years. But asi ngiqedile grade 7. Then and for sure ngatrace ukuthi airport says I was going to the airport. Bam.
So wena wasezavuka enzeni airport ngelathi?
God. ulwazi phela ulwazi athi liba yiproblem kwesikhathi. Bambisela futhi nabo.
Awusitshela ukubamba kwakho wabanjwa njani?
Ngathi ifika kwampani e-airport. Wathi wena baba wangena lapha ungani nathi wakwamazambia. Sakhuluma isikhiwe ngathi I want to go back to
Zimbabwe.
It was Rhodesia by that time. But where are you from? Ngathi hayi ngisuke eNampondo. Hayi ngale kule Ntwala and so forth. Wabendithatha-ke then kusho ukuthi bafonelana ngabona bangihambisa eZimbabwe House, bandithatha bangise eZimbabwe House kodwa kwakusekungabakiti sebekhuluma ngesindebele. Abangithi yala mapam uyahlanya umthengisi. Bambisela endake sasisuke siyi-3, so abanye basala bathi bona sebebuyela hayi kugatshana le. Then-ke ifika laphana-ke bambisela, then I have to go futhi ngokuthi ngakho comfortable ukuba le Ntwala and so forth angithi njengomuntu wayengazi mina ngicabanga ngathi njengoba uhambe umntwana urealize ukuthi uyafuna unika umbhobho uphenduke uzokula.
Akawuza umbhobho wathena. So uzifunela umbhobho.
Ama-beliefs lana esasilawo. Athi kwesinye uyathola ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi utrainwa umuthi. Into ezinjalo nje trainer ukuthi bakufake embizeni bakupheke then go back. Kathi hayi go under i-training. Right laphana-ke ngithe ngifika lapha. Ave ngifika from there elokuzini. Ngabe ngibona sibili ngandlule ngangasayi airport lapha. Ngabe ngifike elokuzini ngabona ukuthi Falls Road i-station sesitimela. Ngabe ngikade sili-Ghost Train. I-Ghost Train nansi ngithatha kuthe kusisa nje yabe isehla eLivingstone. Then ngabe ngibala amabhagani ngibona eRhodesia. Ngabe walker straight to the bridge. Okulisotsha nje oweZambia bebembiza. Come here. Ngangamboni mina angabe ngihamba. Wakuthi uyagwe ngathi straight to Rhodesia. Why? Ayile kuzini. Ngapha mani hayi kule ngingekeza off. Bafona-ke bathatha bafaka nje esitokisini. Bafona kuthi ntambama ngabe ngibona sibili wabe kusiyabuya ubhudo okababa omdala uThodlana. Nguye esasilaye esagcina sesithethwe ngapha. Sonke sesiya khona leyara. Then bendithatha befake emotini back to Lusaka sake eZimbabwe House. Babe lokuyi i-custody yabo nje okusaseli like bavalila khona phana. Banika angithi hayi kodwa lapha ku-right lokho umuntu esejele lapha ku-right ngoba you eat nice into ezinjalo. Kuthi the day uNkomo wabebuya. UNkomo wabethi akele khiphile okuzo lele zibotshwa lapha. Angikwazi babekhulume njani khona. Then abantu lawana kuthe sithi bavuma ukuthi kule sibotshwe sinje dangerous person otherwise it's a spy. Ngabe ngibuya uNkomo wathi a child like you, this is a soldier lo umuntu lo. Njengamanje likukhulu lokhu akusayi hlala le kuya ngaphi e-training and i-time lana kwasokuyini kwasokuyi sokumele ukuthi uhambe i-first group y'Angola yayisi-training isiqeda i-training. Wahle wathi uNkomo ngayiqonisa wathi ku-second group ukuhambe ufana lo ayi-training y'Angola le. La manje wasesithi hayi okwakathi silimgcine la bangigcina sibili asesithi bahamba bahle bambhalisa khona le Nampunge. Uthe leyo langa selector abantu abayi-training mina lami vele sembhaliwe bathe befika nje mina bemisa kulabana abantu sabe sifika khonapha eNampunge abanye bethi isipayi lezi esihlala sibaleka kanti basebengazi inkamba yonke abanye abathi west fane wena uyisipayi wena hayi abengena emoteni sabe sifike sangena khonapha vele ama-cries ayesekhona imoto yazisithwala angena phakathi athi sayangula I think sahamba 1 week ngoba kukatshana safika khona e-training then abe-grade ukuthi company 1 I think infantry kakuyi from company 1 to 8 yayi-infantry ngoba isima ngo-12 u-9 u-8 yayi-Sabadori laba abokuquphula ama-bridge la then u-9 kathi wakuyimota
I think communication kwakungu-11
mnangu yayi-75 mnangu 9 then angiboni ngoba mnangu 9 kuyigani 75 u-10 kuyimota then u-11 kulaba bezokuquphula phansi u-12 kwakungabe abe-reconnaissance inhloli hayi sahle ngaku-platoon ku-second platoon eLokhozi angisathi sifaka ngezigaba but same company i-company yayisiba lama-platoon angu-4 then khonaphana-ke sekufika-ke baqalisa ukusifundisa lokusitraina kama-Cubans advisor ama-Soviets asesithi hayi ekufundiseni babekhetha bona bathi akube ngugana ngaba ugana u-crew commander anti wayecommand i-crew then sokugana nguye waye uMadubula usebenzisa isayidi hayi babona ukuthi vele kuzinto lokho limethi zakhona ngizitshalula athi hayi alright wena akube ngugana for the training but kumele uzaba ngu-crew commander then wabuya uNkomo wasitshayisa i-Passat parade then we had to flow sasuka-ke ngale nge-Framachini so kubuya i-30 group yagcina ibhonjwa khona ngale eMboma e-training eAngola thina sabuya i-FC hayi wasitransfera eMagojini kwathiwa hayi iLokhozi it was izipra igani 75 ibinjani lina-ke belugani 75 ohlala lingena ku-ZQ i-anti-air yiyo wathola ukuthi hayi sebekhetha-ke labana ukuthi further training sasesiya-ke eRussia i-further training satrainela i-ZQ1 le-ZQ2 le-ZQ3
eRussia watrainela ngaphi kwakhona
phela zakwazi into uzawube usukhronova zatraina sili kodwa wakuseMoscow ukuthi ngaphi inkamba yakhona vele ngabe aze saphenduka ngoba laphana sahamba only 1 month sazophenduka-ke from eRussia then sifike saya khona le Magojini lapho basikhethela khona ku-artillery camp basebesithi hayi kungcono-ke lihambe liyekulwa lithi sele siba armed ngembhobho yenu selike labona ini i-guerrilla warfare selilezibindi. Sahamba sibili, sabuya sathi sachaphela eHurungwe, then safuka salwa ke eHurungwe. From there,
So wena ulabo bani eHurungwe operator nawo?
lokuzwa kuthiwa nguNelson, labo amabizo akhona phela, labo Magoji, labo Jabulani, labo mama uyangichaza into ezisizwa kuthiwa kulo mama uyangichaza khona, labo mama uyangichaza sasilabo khona mabizo empini. But most of those guys ngibona babevelela eGwanda, babe abeSuthu, lamavenda laba bama-11.
Yiwo kulabantu okuthiwa ngama-11.
Labo ma-11 babekhona. So hayi sabuya ke.
Phela eHurungwe kwakukhanya kwakuchaza khona ngalo, wena amabhekile eHurungwe osacabanga iwaphi sibele yakuchaza kakhulu?
Amabhekile eHurungwe ngathi most of them ngoba thina sathi sesifika.
Nguphi umnyaka lapho ungene eHurungwe?
It was 78. Hayi laphana ngathi izipho laphana yayisilwile ngoba laba esasibiza thina sasithi ngopasa nje babengasekho. Lawa amalokhuza i-RIR yayingasekho. Abantu sebethethwe sebehlala kuma-collected villages, okuthiwa ama-protected villages. Besiwe khona la kubo Sinoye, iChinoye lapha. Manje ukuzudle wafana ukuthi liyakulwa. So sazama ukuthi singene ke emabhunu la esemaplazini. Kwasokuhlala khona amasotsha lamaTsatsa. Yiko lapho esaba le first battle khona. Ukuthi siyethola ukudla.
So wena wawugana lapho?
Hayi sasihambe nge-infantry ngama ilokuza i-artillery ngazoyithatha sibuyele kwesibili. Laphana sasithwele infantry ngangile AK-47. Labanye abala-armed amabhazuka lama-machine gun, ama-light machine gun nje. Manje sasizihwayele la ngale anti babetshiya ingulube, so lazo zazisidla izidumbu. Ufana ukuthi kudla umuntu phela.
Abathi ingulube kunga?
Abantu laba anti bathathwa besiyafakwa kuma-protected villages. Ukuthi those are the people abasupportana abantu laba. So basiwa khona kuma-protected villages endaweni ezinjengama eHurungwe nje esitishi njengathi sile plant nje. Le Chinoyi iyayidorobho. Bahamba khona le eSinoya. Thina ke zasala sinjani?
Egangeni lilodwa.
Nositshwala no what. Manje anti kuyahila lapho ufuna ukuthi lapho kuhila khona kulamasotsha. So kumele ukuthi uyechakwa phana uthola ukudla. Then ke basinika ama-maps elokuza lapho kulamabhunu khona kulokudla khona ukuthi impuphu siyayithatha khona. Lamanje ke sabe sihamba kwenye lokuza ebusuku. Sesile information ukuthi bagada lapha la. Sabe sifika ke silabe reki nje kodwa kusayigerera office. Zathi hambana abantu laba basendaweni ezinje kade batshintshile laba bahamba bereki ke abe-reconnaissance babona ukuthi hayi la kunje laba abantu aba-dangerous bakhona kade lapho basishiya khona banjengalapha la next door lapha. Bebe babona ke befika ke bathola olunye lulele xawu balu-disarm, bopha umlomo, faka ibhareli la, asihambe wena. Sefike sitshele mtshaya bekhuluma ukuthi kwaphana bami khona duzane laphana kulabanye abakhona abadeploye kwapha. Hayi satshedele emuva. Sathi saqala ngabanabo sasithi duzane la. Wathi besiza ke ngefire laba abanye sesibalokethile ngokudubula nje. Sawatshaya sibili. Kwaze wangani sokuthiwe le mota zaphume ezomnikazi weplasi. Wabaleka. Qonda ngale ezisebenzeni. Ngamabhati chaya zabi impuphu. Impuphu zaphana sithatha impuphu. Bekuthule ngaphi? Lapho esihlala khona akulehle emagojini khona. Kathi asibuzanga elangeni. Ihelicopter izavuka ilandela. Sifika khona sipheka lokuza. Then ke sapheke usuku sadla. Kuthe kusithe kuseni ama-5. Kwaqala kwabuya kuyispota. Sibona kuyarawunda kwapha. Kathi kule ntuthu. Urawunda kwento lekhaya. Imba sibona zama-helicopter. Into lani lo mobile ya. Kwi-helicopter ihamba ngesifula. Andithi sasihlezi endaweni lapho kugeleza khona amanzi. Asehlukani lamanzi. Kwabuya kuhamba khona phana. Kanti lokhana kuyinto kumye emoyeni. Kutshela i-helicopter laphana kulabantu lapha. Ukutshintsha kwethu position sesile mpuphu. Further ndawo. Zathi uSmith usenze njani? Usethi ukuzulisa igerile. Hamba lapho elihlala khona. Lapho ekhaya kuzaba nzima. Anti vele abanye baphakathi abaningi. Sebeqalisa ukucollecta in thina sokuthiwa be-artillery abatraining artillery sebefuneka eZambia. Yiko kubuyela kwethu eZambia bheki. Sefika ke besideploya ezinkambeni. Nazahle sadeploya khona apho enkambeni le artillery.
Emagojini.
Kanti vele sebetshaya amakhazana emgushi ngale yazi bazenzela umathanda. Awayekwenza eMozambique ulokuza. Emoyeni yethu kwengani wami soloze emoyeni ngakithi kuyamandla singethe emoyeni yethu kwakubuhlungu emoyeni ngakithi kuyatshisa emoyeni yethu kwengani wami soloze emoyeni ngakithi kuyamandla singethe emoyeni kwakubuhlungu emoyeni ngakithi kuyatshisa emoyeni yethu kwengani wami emoyeni